everyone. Welcome to our March monthly edition of Real Estate. We have our real estate guru, Addie, here with us, enjoying spring break. We're at the Snowball on Bayshore Boulevard. So, interesting, Rick. I saw in the Journal of Real Estate this month that dogs, when they're on video, that they get a lot more viewings by buyers. What do you think about that?
Well, I believe it. I think we've seen a good increase every time Addie is featured in our videos.
Well, hopefully it doesn't go to her head that she'll want to raise on this.
Oh, I've seen where she's actually applied with the Screen Actors Guild, so we'll have to see what her demands are.
Well, maybe a few more treats.
Oh, a treat will work, absolutely.
All right, Rick, so tell us about our listing here at the Snowball. It's a beautiful condo.
Yes, so we're located right here on Bayshore Boulevard in Tampa, and we have the Snowball listed for sale. It's on the 18th floor, so you have incredible views, and it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo with about 3,100 square feet.
Wow, that's big.
Yeah, it's big and it's beautiful. It's fully trimmed out. And I would encourage you to go online and take a look at the photos we have online. It's listed for $1,350,000. If you have anybody of interest, please call us and let us know.
All right, it's a beautiful condo. So the market has been brisk. It's spring. It's our high selling season. So tell us what's been going on, Rick. The sales.
Well, let's see here. So let's take a look at some sales information for the February sales. Closed sales, meaning the number of sales, are up by 5.3%. So we've seen an increase in that. And the median sale price has actually increased 13%. And just something that Terry and I were talking about earlier is we actually saw those double-digit increases really start to take off last quarter, the last quarter of last year. So it's really been a very strong market.
Yeah, that's good for the sellers, but not so good for the buyers.
Well, they just have less things to choose from, and they just have to be ready to react when they find the right property. So it's still a good time for buyers. We've got great interest rates, and they just need somebody out there looking really hard for them.
Yeah, those interest rates are still hovering below 4%, but the Fed has said maybe in April or June that they might do an increase on that. So buyers, you better jump in before those rate increases come to mind.
So with that said, for the buyers, actually, new listings are up 9% this February over last February. So that should be good news for the buyers. But on the flip side, the months of supply is down 20% actually over last February. So we're down now to a 3.2 months worth of supply, which is just almost unheard of in terms of being low supply. So
well, certainly that's putting pressure on prices, increasing the prices.
Absolutely. Supply and demand is really just the basic features that make that up. So
it's been a good selling season so far.
Yeah, well, it's only March, so we still have another 3-4 months of good selling. So if you guys have any interest out there, call us, let us know. We'll be happy to help you out.
Okay, sounds great. And Rick and I and Addie will see you next month.
All right, happy spring.
All right, see ya. Happy spring break.